Now come, babes. Trust me. I'm going out tonight, for real. That go happen, babes. That go happen.
You alright in there? Come like every time on the same thing. Sheesh.
Come, babe. I swear, man. Come. 2 minutes. Shit, man. Yeah, baby.
What am I doing in the bathroom so long? And by the time if you come out, I drop asleep. Sure.
Come, babe, now come, I swear. Yeah, babe, I tell you.
Fight for your right. Always listen now. Fight for your right. Always. Buckle up and let's take a ride. Let's go see what life is like. Cause when you're black, you got to pay the price. Living in poor and poverty ain't nice. So when you get an option, just make a choice. And when you make a choice, make sure it's right. Cause what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? You better make sure that you do the right. Stop think once, start think twice. Stop all the war, fussing and fight. Warring by day and war by night. When the time is right, it's gonna be alright. Let us all unite. Let us all unite.
What go on?
Every day I talk to you about the smoking thing and you'll never hear.
Boy, I tell you, you don't know a thing over there. Is it?
By the way, you see the paper?
I mean, if you tell you, you come like the summer of sun without the gun you out.
Brother, 2 more man stop up last night, you know?
By the way, anybody dead? Out of that something there?
Nobody not dead. But that not still not say.
Yo, that's why I'm strap in you out. That me I tell you to you know. I'm strap, cause yo, me not go road and make the boy come go and let them want come ambush me. You have to pre them thing there. I'm strap.
Every day, that's all I talk about. Strap. By the way, you so much man with legal gun are getting a problem. You so much police are getting a problem with this thing. Yeah? You so much soldier, how much lies the firearm holder. You not read about the story with you. Gun is not the solution, you know, man.
Listen to me, man. Listen to me. I'm a star, man. You know what I'm saying? Nigga like me need to be in the States right now. I need to be living my life. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at me. I'm a star.
You know, you come here with this rap thing. I'm a star. About 12 years I come back, you know?
Yo,
Relax, man.
I'm gonna go.
So by the way, you know, come back at people and work. Me get work, you know, and look on you.
Work? Nigga, look at me. I'm a star. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have the biggest video, the biggest song all over the world, and people they're gonna see me, man. I'm gonna be shining. You know what I'm saying? Driving with the girls in the car and stuff. All who don't believe in it, I know you don't believe now, but you're gonna see it.
Me nah disbelieve you, know, because you have artists near L.A. Lewis out here, and look how much years, over 1,000 songs in do and not one known by the people. You know, you not take my advice. You say you're a rapper. Me tell you, make Jigga write 2 songs for you, know. Because maybe I only they say you get to go somewhere.
Jigga, by the way, how far Jigga is, man? What is it for a man to gain the world and lose his soul?
We already pray for a day like this, for a day like this.
How much time you telling us to link up for me?
Think about you. Oh, you can text you, check your phone.
You tell me say you text me, you come out of the yard, you just walk it, so.
Are you?
No, are you a yard? No, man, are you a yard? Are you a pay taxi?
Brother, check your phone, man.
Anyway, Jigga, you just a chat boss today. But by the way, yo, you seen you stabbing thing in the paper?
See, it's sad thing, and I stab up man in a park for nothing. Joke thing.
Yo, by the way, how things are going over so with you?
Not no good enough. But yo, before we talk about that, you know it's a chucky the road.
Yo.
And this man over here,
Nah, you're not born a waste, man. Big one thing. Him
True
getting
that.
a problem, live him own life. Remember that.
but yo, over house there, nothing good. I'm gonna do it. Come back till I get worse.
Me tell you, say it's a new girl you need. That me I tell you.
Yo, brother, relax no man. You stop telling man foolishness, man. Just relax no man.
Watch out. And that you need, me have the right thing for you, yo. Tell you about the little brown freak, you know. Yo, and that the girl that you need, bad man. Now listen to what I say. Hear me and tell you.
Dad, we try everything. Mix up. Guineas, peanut, all different type of roots.
Yo.
Nothing no work. We just kill and perform.
Mash you go mash up your marriage. Listen to me, man. It's a mind thing, brother. Yo, only per man go through that. You see me?
Yo.
After you continue,
Wicked.
no man, you have to learn this thing, brother. It's just a mind thing. Don't make a next man mash up your marriage, brother.
Yo. See right now, all you need is a new girl. That me I tell you.
You keep on saying new girl. I'm not get new girl from Kush. How much that to the cost? That's not my thing. I don't know me really into them cheating business. Never really been my thing.
Yo, I want 20 grand. I'm a boss, yo.
20 grand, Kush? Where you get that from?
Brother,
20 grand?
how you think
One
that
night?
I know back road there and a nigger there. High class girl me I give you. Oh, I'm to you, freak.
You know that the girl from?
Yo, everybody know that the girl. All Quench know that the girl.
Quench know how to?
Yeah.
20 grand. I can't believe that.
Yo, boss, more and boss you. So, yeah, hear me still. Just link me tomorrow and me I give you one blue pill and try that and see if it work.
Brother,
And just make me know what I'm
Brother.
going. See?
brother.
Yeah,
That sound better. Blue pill?
Yeah,
You
man.
don't need this.
Alright.
You don't need this, brother. Here, mama. Just trust God and do your thing.
And me I go believe her in.
Get over this
Oh,
thing.
now you're in a Quench, but right now, we need help.
Link me tomorrow.
Alright.
No,
Alright.
push.
Man.
That sound like a better. We'll link it tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Do your thing, man.
Definitely. Yo, me soon.
Yeah, man.
Brother, you don't need that. You don't need that. Take it from me. Take my foolish advice. You hear me, son, brother? Just trust God and do your thing. You don't need that, brother.
We need help.
Yo, me I go believe her me. Just link me tomorrow, man. and me
The
can-
man will
See?
have the history for jog down people. Alright, your choice.
Yeah, word, man.
Well
Just
done.
link me tomorrow. Yo, link me tomorrow. I'm here till here.
This
And
man
you
have
heard?
a track record for
Definitely.
jog down people. And me and you know that.
Yeah.
Do your thing still.
We need
Brother.
help, dog.
Tomorrow.
Think, man.
Yeah, tomorrow. Me link it tomorrow.
What is it for a man to gain the world and lose his soul? already pray for a day like this, for a day like this. Every day we pray. Pray to God to guide me along the way, and don't make me get the youth stray. We already pray for a hour like this, for a minute like this. Every day we pray. We still have we life, we overcome with enemy. Them want to see we in a cemetery. Truth me attack, and no lie me I tell Illuminati run the world. It depend your dollar bill, you sell your soul for your dollar. Some know, but yet still for your US visa.